The Minecraft number 4. Haven't you seen the Minecraft number 1, the Minecraft number 2, and the Minecraft number 3? How much did you saw that it was of value, preciousness for you? Well, you need to implement it. You need to listen to it once again maybe. And here we are at number 4 of the Minecraft. Career. There is no way without a career. You're going to have to learn one skill to its expertise. You must become a specialist in that skill. Repeatedly practicing that one skill until you get mastery over that skill. You need to break it down into its smallest part and then rebuild that product once again. And that's called skill set. I mean, you represent that skill. You become an advocate of that skill. You become an agent of that skill. Your personality must espouse that specific skill set, which of course is to be useful to other people. Otherwise, they will not subscribe to the skill set that you have. Whatever be it, are you an expert at it, at what you're doing? Maybe information technology, maybe aeronautic engineering, maybe swimming coach, maybe you are a fashion designer or a chef. So whatever be your vocation, whatever be your trade, are you an expert at it? Are you a specialist at it? And have you got mastery over it? Maybe a musician, maybe somebody who plays tabla or a guitar, a string instrument or a saxophone, whatever be it. Are you the best in the world? So that is a career. That is a career which is very precious to you and valuable, that other people find that it's worthwhile to engage with the trade-off with you. They enjoy that what you are manufacturing, that is your skill set. Maybe even if you're a spy. So are you a professional at it? Are you the best in the world at that what you're doing? This requires knowing about the product, because people, at the end of the day, that's a career. A career is like a shelter for you. A career is like a safety net, like a cradle of an infant. An infant feels very safe and secure when the infant is in a familiar cradle. Similarly, a career is your cradle. A career is your protection. It saves you from a lot of embarrassment. I mean, it's like a shelter. It's a thing that you generate your revenue from. It's a career is something that many people give you respect for. Many people give you prestige, dignity and stature, because you may be a great physician, a doctor, who may become of great use to a patient. So people look up at those people who are serious about their career. And then again, you need to invest your time. You need to invest your in initiatives. You need to be an advocate to represent that career. Do justice to that career. So you need to get more interested and more eager and more curious to learn more and more detail about that career that you have chosen to have. That elevates you, that uplifts you. So don't be without a career. You may have multiple hobbies, multiple areas of interests, multiple knowledge of various products. Maybe somebody is great at hospitality. He may have a 5-star hotel that is renting out to people. At the same time, he could be a mechanic of automobile. So you could have hobbies, you could have interest in many other things. You could be an author of a book as much as you are an aeronautic engineer. You could be a singer as much as you are a sport athlete. So you can have multiple areas of interest, but a career is something that you are the expert, you are the specialist. So ensure you have a career for protection, for dignity, prestige and revenue. Do not be without a career. Take your career very seriously. This is the Minecraft number 4, talking to you about career, and await the next possibility for it to come to the Minecraft number 5. It'll come soon. Did you enjoy all the Minecraft ideas and the points that has been analyzed and discovered and practiced? Continue. Sign in to the Minecraft number 5.